Parrots are a type of bird that are known for their bright plumage and their ability to mimic human speech. There are over 350 different species of parrots, ranging in size from the tiny parrotlet to the large macaws and cockatoos.
Calm down,
Parrots
birdie.
are found in tropical and subtropical regions all around the world, including South America, Central America, Africa, Australia, and Asia. They are typically found in forests, woodlands, and savannas, and some species have even adapted to living in urban areas. One of the most unique features of parrots is their ability to imitate sounds, including human speech. This ability is due to the structure of their vocal cords, which are similar to those of humans. However, not all parrots are able to mimic speech, and it is a learned behavior that requires training and repetition. Parrots are also known for their intelligence, and many species are capable of problem-solving and using tools. In terms of diet, parrots are primarily herbivorous, feeding on seeds, fruits, and nuts. However, some species will also eat insects and other small animals. Parrots are popular pets due to their beauty, intelligence, and ability to mimic speech. However, it is important to note that owning a parrot requires a lot of time, effort, and attention, as they are social animals that require interaction and stimulation. Additionally, some species can live for decades, so owning a parrot is a long-term commitment. In addition to their ability to mimic speech, parrots also communicate with each other using a variety of calls, squawks, and other vocalizations. These vocalizations can be used to establish territory, attract mates, and warn of potential predators. Parrots are also known for their strong pair bonds, and many species mate for life. Some species, such as the African gray parrot, have been observed exhibiting behaviors that suggest they may experience emotions such as jealousy. Despite their popularity as pets, many species of parrots are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. It is important to only purchase parrots from reputable breeders and to never purchase wild-caught parrots, as this contributes to the decline of wild populations. In the wild, parrots play an important role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers, helping to maintain the health and diversity of forests and other habitats. Overall, parrots are fascinating and intelligent birds with a range of unique characteristics and behaviors. Whether in the wild or as pets, they have captured the attention and admiration of humans for centuries.